Hello and welcome back. So this video today is going to be about some home brewing, and the home brewing I've mostly been doing has been making mead, but thanks to some very kind neighbours I was able to get a hold of these very good eating apples, which I'm going to be showing you how we're going to turn into our cider. So I'm going to be using the techniques I've learnt with brewing my own mead on the cider and see what we can do. So after I've chopped them up and pulped them using this axe, what I'll do is I'll put them into the press, lock it up, and basically tighten it and tighten it and tighten it until eventually the juices will run out of here and into a collecting tray, which I'm going to have, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So this is what it looks like from behind. We have our pulped apples, and here we have our press with the collection tray below it. So we're basically going to repeat the process until the pulp is gone and completely squeezed out all the juices. So this is what we've got as the end result. This rather brownish apple juice is what we're going to use to ferment, and all there is to do now is to add the yeast and leave it for about 4 or so weeks, and then we'll be doing the bottling, which will require some adding of sugar, which will hopefully give it its fizz, also doing a bit of straining, and whilst we're adding it to the bottles, that'll be where we do the racking for it. So already we've got the other batch of mead, which I currently have bubbling away. Still got a few more weeks before I decide to rack and strain that. So already I'm quite happy about this, because already just tasting it, it's already quite sweet to begin with. So we're not going to have to use that much sugar, and hopefully it won't come out as vinegar, because unfortunately previous cider batches have come out as basically turned into apple vinegar, which is used in small amounts in cooking and is not meant for drinking. So hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll be able to do a video and I'll be able to show you what it will look like as the end result, and hopefully it'll be a lot less thick and cloudy, and hopefully it'll be somewhere a bit more clearer. It will probably end up as still cider instead of fizzy, but we're not sure yet. This is not the full amount of apple juice that I was able to get from it, and I wager there's about maybe 3 or 2 litres, and about half of that is warm water. And I've just done that just to give it a look, just to add a little bit more body to it. So hopefully that will be fine, and that won't affect the flavour too much. So hope to see you soon. Like and subscribe, and in a few weeks you'll be able to see the end result.